you are feeling really confident that you know how to do the sums, you don't have to watch this. If, on the other hand, you're feeling less confident in your maths ability, that's fine. You can watch away and see how I do the calculation. So question 1 is, well, it's not question 1. I can't remember what question it is on the form. It's calculate the wave speed when a wave has a frequency of 50 hertz, so that's 50 waves going past in 1 second, and a wavelength of 1.5 meters. So what's the speed going to be? Well, the first thing I do is I go up to my little triangle and I figure out what sum I'm going to do. I cover up the speed and I have frequency times wavelength, or wavelength times frequency. Okay, so that's what I write down. Wave speed is wavelength times frequency. I always write my sum down, and the next thing I do is I put the numbers in. I've reversed the frequency and the wavelength there because it doesn't matter when you're multiplying. The next thing I do, okay, this is important, I check the units. Sometimes you get this given in kilohertz. 1 kilohertz is 1,000 hertz, so you have to multiply it by 50. So 50 kilohertz would be 50,000 hertz. This one's straightforward though. You will get an odd unit later though. And is our wavelength in meters? Yes, it is. It isn't always. Sometimes it's in centimeters. So you have to remember to divide that by 100. Millimeters, divide it by 1,000. And kilometers, so you'd multiply it by 1,000. I think everyone knows how to convert lengths, though. I think you're all fairly confident with that. If you're not, pop onto the live lesson and ask me more about it, okay? So anyway, you do the sum, 50 times 1.5, and you get 75 meters per second. So our wave speed is equal to 75 meters a second. And that's the answer to the very next question. So you can pop my answer in and then have a go at the next few questions. See you soon.